Hey everyone, it's Ryan with Stock Trading and Investing 101. Today I'm doing a midweek portfolio update. Usually I only do it once a week. We've had a pretty good week so far, up over $1,200. So for anyone who's been kind of following my page and maybe following any of my trades, we've definitely had a lot of profitable trades recently. Talking a little bit about my strategy, what I'm doing mainly is long-term investing, but I have some active premium selling and hedging and options trading going on at the same time. But what I like to do is buy quality companies, but also protect myself and possibly make money using time decay and other factors. So using that strategy, we're up over $1,200 this week. Right now, I want to show you guys all of my current stock holdings. Then we'll go into my option holdings, talk about my strategy for the next following week and the rest of this week, and we'll see where we can go from there. First, let's look at my biggest stock holdings. I'm selling covered calls against many of these positions. If you can see, pretty much the first 6 or 7 stocks here I have 100 shares of. I'm selling calls against Realty Income, Coca-Cola, AT&T, Cedar Fair, Rocket Mortgages. So all of these I'm usually selling weekly or monthly call contracts. I'm benefiting from time decay, also known as theta. So you have to remember, even if the market goes sideways, we're still making money. Next, we have some of my core holdings. These are usually just strong companies that I want to invest in for the long term, that I think are growing, or they pay a dividend. So we have Apple, Microsoft, Google, AbbVie, J&J, MasterCard, Campbell's Soup, Pepsi, Kimberly-Clark, Adobe. I'm not going to say all of them, but we have a lot of quality names in here, along with some dividend stocks like General Mills, Chevron, IBM, stuff like that. We also have a couple of speculative stocks. We have Walgreens, Wynn Resorts, and a lot of these companies haven't been working in our favor so far, but they're relatively small positions. Lastly, for my stock holdings, I want to talk about my hedges. We have 25 shares of UVXY, which is a short-term volatility hedge, and we also have SQQQ, which is a leveraged NASDAQ short ETF. Next, let's look at my options. As I already mentioned, most of them are covered calls. So we've already made some money on our Coca-Cola covered calls, Rocket Mortgages covered calls. On most of them, actually, they're looking to either expire worthless or get assigned for a profit. We also picked up 2 UVXY calls, short-term, expiring in the next few weeks. $20 strike price, and we are already up pretty nicely on some of these contracts. So my strategy moving forward is I plan to just hold my hedges. I have cash ready to buy the dip, and gonna see where we go from here. If it's sideways, I'm just gonna hold and benefit from time decay and kind of wait for something to happen. If the market continues to go up, we're gonna continue to make some decent money like we have been, and we'll see where we end the week. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update, talk about my trades, and give you guys an update as to the profit so far. So thanks for